Howdy, y'all. Had a call with one of my clients earlier today. He's a great OBGYN. You're going to see him very soon on, what's that show called with that Dr. Oz? And he said he's working through some difficulties with some of his stuff. And I said, so what is it that you want? What's your well-formed outcome? As that is one of the laws of NLP. What's your well-formed outcome? He goes, it's actually a really good question, because at this point, he's only getting all the information from one party, and then he's getting all the information from the other party, and he's only wanting to react rather than looking at, well, what is it that I want out of this whole situation? So we looked, before we start to evaluate what the others are offering or what they're wanting in this whole scenario, I said, well, let's look at what you want first. What do you want to get out of this? What do you want to, and of course I can't give you details, but you kind of get the drift. I'm pretty sure you've been there where you go, okay, so actually what's in it for me, and what do I want to get out of it, and what are some of my non-negotiables? So we started writing out the non-negotiables and found, well, there's actually a way that we can find common ground between this scenario and that scenario, and find common ground in the middle somewhere. And he's totally okay with that, but he didn't see that before. So well-formed outcomes, great strategy. Not a whole lot of people do it. When you go to networking events, what do you want to get out of it? It's really that simple. Create a well-formed outcome. It's a little bit deeper than a goal. Know exactly what you want and what are some of your non-negotiables. So those are my Saturday thoughts for you. Seize the day. Cheers, celebrate hard, and see you soon.